Welcome to American Dream Mansions, the channel where we take you inside some of the most beautiful and luxurious homes for sale across Texas. If you love high-end real estate, modern design, and dream homes that define true luxury living, you are in the right place. Today's property is a stunning masterpiece that perfectly blends elegance, comfort, and modern architecture. Let's begin this tour with a breathtaking drone day view, giving you a full look at this incredible home from above. From this angle, you can truly appreciate the scale, symmetry, and architectural beauty of the property. The exterior design features clean modern lines, premium finishes, and a bold yet classy color palette highlighted by maroon tones, golden accents, and blue-tinted glass that reflects sophistication from every side. As we make our way toward the home, the grand entrance immediately commands attention. The double-height entryway, elegant golden details, and polished marble flooring create a powerful first impression. This entrance sets the tone for what lies inside: luxury, style, and thoughtful design in every detail. Stepping inside, we are welcomed into the main living area, a space designed for both comfort and entertainment. The living room features spacious seating in rich maroon tones, enhanced by golden decor elements and soft blue ambient lighting. Large windows allow natural light to flood the room, creating a bright and inviting atmosphere while maintaining a sense of privacy and exclusivity. This is the perfect space to relax with family or entertain guests in style. Flowing seamlessly from the living area is the modern kitchen, truly the heart of this home. Designed with both beauty and functionality in mind, the kitchen features elegant marble countertops, custom cabinetry, premium built-in appliances, and refined golden fixtures. Subtle blue lighting adds a modern touch, making this kitchen not only practical but visually stunning. Whether you love cooking or hosting gatherings, this kitchen is built to impress. Adjacent to the kitchen is the dining area, a refined space ideal for family meals and special occasions. A large dining table, stylish seating, and a statement chandelier come together to create a warm yet luxurious dining experience. The maroon, gold, and blue design theme continues here, offering a perfect balance between elegance and comfort. This home offers beautifully designed bedrooms, each created as a private retreat. The master bedroom stands out with its hotel-style ambiance, plush finishes, elegant lighting, and calming color tones. It is a space designed to help you unwind and recharge at the end of the day, combining luxury with relaxation. The bathrooms in this home feel like a private spa. Featuring marble walls, walk-in showers, modern bathtubs, and gold-accented fixtures, these spaces are designed to provide comfort and tranquility. Soft blue lighting enhances the calming atmosphere, making every bathroom feel both modern and luxurious. One unique and meaningful feature of this home is the dedicated prayer room. Designed with peace and serenity in mind, this space offers a quiet environment for reflection and spiritual connection. Soft lighting, elegant finishes, and a calm ambiance make it a truly special part of the home. For those who value health and fitness, the private home gym is fully equipped and beautifully designed. With modern equipment, mirrors, and a clean, stylish layout, this gym allows you to maintain an active lifestyle without ever leaving the comfort of your home. The TV lounge provides a cozy yet upscale entertainment space, perfect for movie nights, sports events, or relaxing evenings with family. Comfortable seating, a large screen, and ambient lighting make this area both functional and inviting. Moving outside, the luxury continues with the stunning swimming pool area. The crystal clear blue water, elegant lighting, and stylish outdoor seating create a resort-style experience right in your own backyard. This space is perfect for entertaining guests or simply enjoying the Texas lifestyle. Finally, the spacious garage offers ample room for multiple vehicles and is designed with modern finishes and excellent lighting, completing this exceptional property. This home is more than just a place to live, it's a lifestyle statement. From thoughtful design to luxury features, it truly represents modern Texas living at its finest. Thank you for watching American Dream Mansions. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive luxury home tours across Texas. Your dream home could be just one video away.